Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching, like and subscribe, and comment down below. For today's look, I'm going to be using the November Boxycharm. The first product I'll be using is from Ace Beauty Grand Oaks palette. The shade I'll be using is called Patchouli. The brush is from Leche and it's the 121 mini tapered, and it's the luminous ice set, which comes in 4 synthetic eye brushes, and I'm just gonna be going over the crease. The next shade I'll be applying is called Cinnamon. The next shade is called Poppy, and I'll be applying it on the outer corner. So I decided to use a different brush, and I went with the Leche 131 mini angled brush. For concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. To darken the crease, I'm going to be reapplying the shade Cinnamon, and I am using the brush Leche 141 mini round. Going back with the shade Poppy, I'm going to be reapplying it on the outer crease. To set the concealer, I'll be using the shade Jasmine. The brush I am using is from Leche, and it's the 111 mini flat angled brush. For a shimmery effect, I'm going to be using the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. For the waterline, I'm going to be applying the Dulce Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. I'm going to be applying Cinnamon under my lash line. I will be applying Poppy as well. For Wingliner, I'm going to be applying the Wet n Wild Megaliner. I decided to use the Dulce Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner on top of the Wet n Wild. Going back with the Color Fix glitter drops, I'll be applying it in the inner corners and as well as the brow, nose, basically as a highlighter. Mascara, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero. For lashes, I'll be using the Lashaholic lashes, and they're the Instaglam false eyelashes. For setting spray, I'll be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Makeup Mist. For lips, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Superstay in the shade Poet. For a glittery effect on the lips, I'm going to be applying the Cover FX glitter drops. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed. If you like this, please comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial. And thanks for watching.